Liam was so proud of the tower he had built by himself. He called his best friend Lily over to admire his hard work. Unfortunately, she wasn't paying attention and bumped into his creation, knocking it to the ground. At first, he was sad, but then another emotion much stronger filled his body. Liam was angry. He had a red face, clenched fists, and really big feelings. His mom removed him from the situation that was making him mad and reminded him being mad is allowed, but he needed the right tools to help him control these big feelings. His mom showed a belly breathing exercise called a 4x4 breathing technique to release his anger. Liam pretended to smell a flower through his nose for 4 seconds. Then, he pretended to blow out a candle slowly for 4 seconds. He did this repeatedly until his anger went away. Once steady, Liam used his words to express his frustration with Lily. She apologized with a nice gesture, and he made room for kindness again. Together, they rebuilt the tower, and Liam learned how to calm his anger for the next time those feelings would come back. Communication, changing environment, and 4x4 breathing helped him.